This is not your everyday potato skins recipe. These loaded potato skins are twice baked, then filled with a rich, creamy cheese sauce and topped with crispy bacon and green onions. Let's make them. Rinse and clean off small red potatoes. Then poke your potatoes several times with a fork. Coat your potatoes with olive oil, then sprinkle with a coarse salt. If you're watching your salt take, you can skip this step. Bake the potatoes for 50 minutes or until they are tender at 375 degrees. Remove the potatoes from the oven and allow them to cool. Cut the potatoes in half and scoop out the insides of the potatoes, leaving enough room to maintain the structure of the potatoes. Melt butter in a saucepan at medium-low heat. Then add whole milk, cheddar cheese, and cream cheese, and stir until everything is completely melted. Add the cheese mixture to the center of the potatoes, then top with bacon. Bake in the oven at 400 degrees for 10 minutes, then remove from the oven and top with green onions. You can find the full recipe with all the measurements and additional cooking tips at aforkstale.com.